My people, this ten actor Angel Unigwe recent naked pictures don't throw so many people off balance, so as people come dey question say wetin dey happen, say why this innocent girl don't turn to baddie overnight. Some people come dey argue say na ever since she started acting with this boy now when she changed, a lot of her fans don't dey withdraw themselves from am. Some even dey pray say make she no influence Adakirikiri, Uche treasure. Some even dey say maybe she don't test this guy Ebola, na why she come change. Make we look at so many people's reaction to get wetin dem talk. This one talk say this girl, she already tested the Ebola of this boy, now look at how she is behaving. Another person talk say nobody is trying to be rude here, but the kind of lifestyle this girl want to start will not take her anywhere. You think those big actresses started like this? Anyway, let me focus on my food before it gets cold. No be smart in my people. This one talks that just knew as you join the gang it is finished. More no be smart. Let's look at another reaction. This one talks say I withdraw you from my favorites. This used to be her fan. This one talks so why do you little things feel you can only become a star or be relevant by going naked on social media? A lot of reactions from different people. What is your take on this? Do you think she's living her life? She should be allowed to live her life the way she chooses? Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow this channel for more news with the Totori body. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for sticking out. If you be old subscriber, thank you so much. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Okay. You can stay. So
Nothing.
Hear me, Junior. Hear me, Abu. Who's your brother? Tani boy. I'm not your brother.
Is you guys off-screen chemistry for me?
We do?
I'm very recent.
You're very recent.
Wink, wink. What should I do? Should I fight for you? I don't know you, man. What are you making videos of me? So that your man there will not come to your dreams.
Oh, that's what.
Let's go, 50, 60.